Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore unsigned 32-bit bitwise arithmetic in Python. Bitwise operations are fundamental in low-level programming and can be used for tasks like data manipulation, encryption, and more. Understanding how to perform these operations in Python is essential for working with binary data and manipulating individual bits within integers. The bitwise and operator compares the corresponding bits of two integers and returns a new integer where each bit is set to 1 only if both corresponding bits in the input integers are 1. Otherwise, it sets the bit to 0. The bitwise OR operator compares the corresponding bits of two integers and returns a new integer where each bit is set to 1 if either of the corresponding bits in the input integers is 1. The bitwise XOR operator compares the corresponding bits of two integers and returns a new integer where each bit is set to 1 if the corresponding bits in the input integers are different, one is 1, and the other is 0. The bitwise NOT operator inverts the bits of an integer, turning zeros into ones and ones into zeros. Bitwise left shift and right shift operators allow you to shift the bits of an integer left or right by a specified number of positions. This is equivalent to multiplying or dividing by powers of 2, respectively. You can use bitwise operations to check the status of specific bits within an integer. For example, to check if the fifth bit, from the right, counting from 0, of an integer x is set 1, or clear 0, you can use the following code. In this tutorial, we explored unsigned 32-bit bitwise arithmetic in Python. We covered the bitwise OR, XOR, NOT, left shift, and right shift operations. These operations are essential for performing bitwise manipulation on binary data and can be used in various programming scenarios, including data encoding, decoding, and low-level optimizations. Understanding these operations is a valuable skill for any Python programmer working with binary data or low-level programming tasks. ChatGPT